Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shub and you people are watching my channel Shubharinfo. In this video, we are going to discuss about parameter and area class 7 mathematics. So without wasting time, let's begin with the video. In the starting of the video, we'll be discussing about what is a parameter. So without wasting time, let's begin. So the first thing before starting the chapter is what is a parameter. So a parameter is the total distance that is covered along the boundaries of the figure. It is the total distance that is covered along the boundaries of the figure. Like here I have this triangle. So the total distance which is there on the boundaries, means along the boundaries, is only known as the parameter. So to find the parameter of different objects, we have to do different things. Like to find the parameter of a parallelogram, simple parallelogram which is having the opposite sides equal, what we have to do, first we have to apply the formula and then we get the parameter. So many students have problem in applying the formulas, means how the formula will be applied, how we can do that. So the easiest step to do that is see the figure properly. Over here we have the shape also given, right? So here what we can see, that ABDC means the breadth R2 and the length R2, right? Length is also 2 and breadth is also 2, means 2 into length plus the breadth. So this how we can find the formula. We can find the formula by seeing the shape and the figure. Okay, so let's take a look at the next figure, that is the rhombus. So we all know that a rhombus has equal sides, right? It has all its sides equally, right? So what we have to do in the formula of rhombus, actually the formula of rhombus is really very easy, because there are 4 sides of rhombus. Then what we have to do, we have to just multiply 4 into sides. 4 into side. Like suppose here the side of the rhombus is given to you as 2. Then what we will do, we will multiply 4 with 2. The answer will be 8. Right? So like this. Next here we have rectangle and square. Their formulas are same. Rectangle's formula is same as parallelogram and square's formula is same as rhombus. Okay, so you can see they have the same formula, 2 into L plus breadth, 4 into sides. So add down, you have some of the questions. Like here we have these empty boxes and you have to fill these empty boxes. So you can try solving these, and if you have solved, then that's very good. And down again we have these some solved examples. So before starting your exercises, you should always take a look at them, because they are very helpful in your exercise. So the first example is based on the formula of rectangle. Second example is based on the square, and let's take a look at the next. The next example is on triangle, and fourth example is on rhombus. So you can just apply the formulas and then the answer will also come, the parameter you will get at the end. Okay, without wasting time, let's begin with the exercise also. So the first question of the exercise is, find the parameter of the following figures. So what you have to do to find the parameter of it, as I have told that you have to just fit the formula and then do. So let me go to the whiteboard. So according to the question, we have here this triangle that has 3 meter as the breadth and 8 meter as the length, right? So how we will solve this question? So to solve this question, what we have to do, let's go to the next sheet. we will first of all apply the formula, that is 2L plus breadth, and then we will fit the things here, that is this. So with this you can get your answer easily, that is the answer will be 22, right? So this is your answer. So this rectangle formula is really very easy. Let's go on to the next formula, that is our square and B part. This was our A part of the exercise, then the B part is square. So the B part is a square which has 12 centimeter as its side. So what is the formula? 4 into side, right? So the same thing we will do here. We will write the formula and then we will multiply 4 with 12. That will give us the answer 48, right? This is our answer. So if I talk about the C part, then C and D are very easy, and C is similar to our A part and D is similar to this only B part. Okay, so C and D you can solve by yourself. Next we are going to solve the second question. So the first part, A part, in this what we have to do in this question, we have to find the parameter of each of the triangles. Okay, we have to find the parameter of each triangle. So to do this, what we have to do, we have to apply the formula and then write the answer. Take out the answer. The parameter of triangles we have not done till yet. So take a proper look onto this A and C part. So the formula to find out the perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C, where A are the one side, means A is one side, B is one side and C is one side of the triangle. Let's fit the equations here. And after this 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, you get the answer 12. So the answer of this question is question number A of second question is 12. Okay, so the answer is 12. The next question is, what is an parameter of A and B part? Means A, you have parallelogram whose length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. So we have to find the parallelogram whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. B part I am giving you as homework. Let's do the A part first. So the A part which we are having is parallelogram whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. In A part we have a parallelogram whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. So how we will find the answer? First we have to write the formula, that is 2L plus breadth. Then we have to fit the things like 12 plus 7 and then we have to find the answer. So the answer will be 38. The answer will be 38. Okay, so I have not shown the calculation, means plussing and all, but the answer will be 38. Okay, B part I have given you as homework, that is rhombus whose length is 8 centimeter. And if you have another book, then also you can use these exercises, use this exercise as the practice questions. The exercise, if you want the PDF of the full chapter, then please comment me below. I'll be sending in the next video in the description box. I'll post the link over there. Okay, the fourth question is, find the length of the missing sides of the following figures. So here are some figures given to you, A and B. Of them you have to find the missing sides. So guys, we are not going to do this question as this question needs full video for it, and So because of that only we are going to do this question in next video, which will be the part 2. Okay, so right now we are going to do the 5th question, that is a word problem. Okay, so what is this word problem? Julie has built a canal whose base is in the shape of a rectangle of dimensions 100 centimeter by 40 centimeters. She wants to put a fence around it. Okay, she wants to put a fence around it. Find the amount of fencing required in meters. So in this question, what you have to do, here we have a girl, Julie, who has to build a canal which is having a base shape, that is rectangle of dimension 100 centimeter by 40 centimeters. She has to put a fence, means we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle who has length 100 centimeter and breadth 40 centimeters. So how we will find this? Let's look onto this by our whiteboard. According to the question, first we have to write the formula. The formula will be 2L plus breadth, right? And then you have to fit this. Okay, 2 into 100 plus 40, that will be 2 multiplied by 140. The answer for this will be 280. The answer will be 280. So she requires 280 centimeter for the fencing. But whensoever you will be solving this question, do not solve it simply, means writing the formula and solving the question. No, you have to write it in full statement, like the length of rectangle is 100 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle is 40 centimeter, and then so on. Okay, so like this you have to solve, and at last you also have to write 280 as the answer. But if we see to the question properly, at last we are having find the amount of fencing required in meters. Find the amount of fencing required in meters. So our answer came 280, right? 280 centimeters it has came, not meters. So what we will do here, we will divide it by 100. After dividing, this 0 will be cancelled and this 0 will go here as a decimal, like this. So the decimal will come between 2 and 8. Okay, now your answer is 2.8 meters. So the answer of this question will be 2.8 meters. Okay, the next question is 6th. Let's take a look on that also. So the 6th question is, Vivek goes for walking to a nearby park which is in the shape of a square of length 850 meter. Okay, so what is this? Here is a boy, Vivek, who is going for a walk to a nearby park which is in the shape of a square. Okay, and it has length, means one side, as 850 meters. And then we have to find the distance covered by him if he has taken 2 rounds, and we have to answer it in kilometers. So let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, so here we have a square park whose one side is 850. Okay, so to find the perimeter first, what we have to do, we have to multiply it with 4. The answer will be, so its answer is 3400 meters. The perimeter is 3400 meters, but here he has taken 2 rounds. So according to 2 rounds, when there are rounds taken, how many rounds are taken? Rounds are 2. So we have to multiply 3400 with 2. Okay, and then after multiplying, the answer will be 6800 meter, right? Okay, so answer we have found, but we have to find it not in meters, in kilometers. So how we have to do that? Let's take a look. So we have the answer in 6800 meter and we have to take it into kilometer. So how we will do this? We will write down 6800 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000. 2 zeros cut here and a decimal will come in between 6 and 8. So the answer will be 6.8. Okay, this is your answer, 6.8 kilometer. So here I am giving you 7th and 8th, the last two questions as homework, as these two questions are very easy and you people can do this. Okay, 7th question is based on the formula of triangle and 8th question is based on the formula of the parallelogram or the rectangle 2 into L plus breadth. Okay, and in the next video we'll be discussing about the area, what is area, with some examples, how to convert into area, etc. So we'll be discussing a lot things in the next video, and thank you all for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Please do not like to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and ask your doubts in the comment section below, and also tell me that do you want the PDF of the chapter 16 of my book, that is Collins Math Zone 7. So do let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.